Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Um, in today's video, I'll be teaching you the basics of Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna learn is how to conversion, because the conversion formula. So for every basics, we need to know the formulas for all the parts. Here, the formula for converting units is like here, as you can see, I have already written the conversion units. To convert kilometer to miles, we need to select one box and then we need to write the formula over here. Or you can write over here. This is the formula box and this is the column B and row 10. This is the name of the cell. So to convert the unit, we need to use the formula which goes like equal convert convert post bracket. Now the which cell are we converting to miles? Which cell are we converting? So we are converting cell number column A, row 10. So we are converting A10. Okay. A10, comma. Make sure you write the formula correctly or you won't get accurate results. So give a comma after a cell name, then quotation mark. The unit you are converting from, which is kilometer, then close it, and then again a comma, quotation mark. The unit you are converting to, which is miles. So the short form for that is mi, and then close the bracket. Equal convert the cell number you are converting, which is A10, comma, the unit you are converting from, which is kilometer. You can write it in shortly km, and then comma. Don't forget to use the quotation mark, and then again quotation and for the one you are converting to, which is miles mi. So press enter and then close the bracket. Press enter. So you get the answer. And to do the rest of it, you don't need to do that individually. Bring the mouse over the edge of the cell. Left click, click left side of your mouse, then drag it downwards, pull it downwards, and then leave it. So all of them will be converted. The same formula is applied in all of them. Okay. In same manner, we can do centimeter to millimeter, which would be equal. Equal is part of the formula, remember. And convert, first bracket, centimeter to millimeter. So we are converting the cell name, column A, row 16. So this will be A16. A16, then comma, quotation, centimeter. So we can write cm, comma, converting to millimeter. So mm, and then bracket close. You can write the form. You can see the formula over here. Convert A16 centimeter to millimeter. Then press enter. And here it's done. And here the size that you can see. And then pull it downwards, and then it will be copied. The same way. You can increase its size. So you can click. So yeah, conversion is done. You can convert it to other units as well, like liter to milliliter and etc. Meter to micrometer, etc. Now the second part, the second thing we are going to learn is addition, which is very simple. The formula you need to use is, suppose we are adding these three cells horizontally. So in this cell, let's color it a bit. We'll write the answers, which is the answer would be sum of these three. So you can write equal sum, the formula is equal sum. You can either write it like cell A24, column A, row 24, cell A24, colon. If you give a colon, it means from A24 to which one? To C24, column C, row 24, C24, which means the numbers from the column from the cell A24 to C24 is selected to will be added together. All three will be added together. The column means 2. Okay. Then press enter and you get the sum of them, which is 650. Now if you want to with vertical, you can use the same method like the previous one. We can write equal sum first bracket. We can also add all four of them together, like A24 plus A25 plus A26 plus A27. You can use this formula or the one we did over here for this calculation. You can use both of the formula. You can, if you had done in this way, you should the formula would be like equal sum A24 colon A27, A24 to A27 bracket close. Then you would have gotten the answer. But we can do it this way as well. We can all add up all those together. But we do this only when we have small amount of numbers, like 3 or 4 numbers, as I added over here. But if you have too many numbers, what you need to do, you can use this formula, which is very simple. And then here we press enter. So we get the sum of them. So this is the sum. Okay. So that you understand. This is the answer, sum of this thing. Now let's get to average. To calculate the average, what you need to do is it's like a bit similar to sum. The formula for doing average is equal average. I'm going to write average, 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 first bracket, and then we are gonna find the average of these four. So A32 to A35, A32 colon A35, bracket close, enter. This is the average of this four. This is what we got after writing the formula. You can again see the formula over here. When you click on this bar, you will see the formula over here. Also, again, one more way we can do it is by if we want to find the formula of this three, what we can do is here there's an option over here of summation. We could have done this in summation as well, but I'll show you how it's done. We find the average of these three, and to click on the average one, then the formula is always already written. Yeah. So then press enter and you get the average, which is 495. Center align it. Yes. Now let's get to subtraction. Subtraction is the formula for subtraction is equal sum first bracket um, A40 minus B40, which is this one, B40 minus C40, which is this, C, column C, row 40, C40, and then press enter. You will get the answer for the subtracting this 3, we get 80. We can do this or similarly, we can find the answer subtraction of this. So yeah, you can use the same formula to do this as well. Also, there's also, you might get it over here as well. Okay, it's not, subtraction is not here. Right. Okay. Now let's get to multiplication. For multiplication, the formula is equal sum first bracket. The first cell is A47. We'll write A47. Multiply, this is a multiplication sign. Multiply B47, which is B47, and multiply C47. Then close the brackets and press enter. Here you get the answer for the multiplying this and yeah, so it's correct. 5 to the 10 and 10 fours times 40. So it was like that. Now let's get to division. We can multiply these four in the same manner. And now let's get to this. Now for division, what you need to do is let's do it this time vertically. At first, let's increase the size of the cell. Yeah. So to divide this, the formula is equal sum first bracket column A row 55. So it's A55 divide. For division, you need to use the sign of slash sign. Then divided by A56 divide A57. Do it like this. Then press enter. So the answer for this one is 3. This is the answer for division. The same way we can do it over here. Equals sum first bracket. First write the one. I first write the numerator, then the denominator. So the numerator would be A55 slash division sign. Then the denominator, which is B55. B55. Press enter, and this is our answer. How to calculate the maximum, sorry. So maximum over here is, so here the maximum, to calculate the maximum, what we need to do is go here over here and click on the max. If we click on the max, we get the maximum. The maximum over here is 500, so the it's written over here maximum. So to calculate the maximum of vertically, you can use the same method and find the maximum. The formula for this is equal max A62 colon A65, the same as the summation and average as we did last time. So press enter and we get the maximum. So when you're using a lot of numbers, you can use the colon sign easily and just calculate it. Sorry, I did something over here. So B66, A65, B66. I need to remove this. That's okay. So this is our answer. We can highlight this in any color we want. Then minimum. To calculate the minimum, we can calculate the minimum in the same way. At first, let's add borders from here. All borders. There are borders in every side. Now the minimum value in this row is, to calculate it, we need to write equal. The formula is min minimum A70 to C70, which is these. Like this one is A70 and this was column C, row 70, so C70. Press enter and you get the minimum. So minimum value in this row is 324, so the answer is 324. Okay. Also, you could have done it like from here. If you, no, not sum, we need to do the minimum. So the minimum is min, and then we get the minimum value. Okay, we actually did the summation over here. We need to do minimum. Ah, now press enter, and the minimum value over here is 34. That's the answer is 34. Okay, so that was it. Now let's go to counting numbers. How many numbers are there? So you can see there are 4 over here and 3 in horizontally and 4 vertically. But when we are using Microsoft Excel for our work or study, there are lots of numbers. We can't count them. We don't have the time to count all of them. So what we can simply do is go over here, click over here, count numbers, and then the formula for it says you can do this and then press enter. There are 3 numbers in the horizontal row, so their numbers is given up like that. So we can highlight this and then increase its size so it's more visible. Then if you can use the formula as well. I can show you. Let's increase the size. The formula is equal count first bracket A78 followed A81. So here, that's how we can count it. The column was A and the row was 78, and the column over here is A again, but the row is 81, so we is using 81, and the column is from here to here, all of them will be counted. So press enter. So as we can see, there are 4 numbers, so the answer is, the number we got is 4. Now let's align it. So the next one we will be learning today is percentage. How to find percentage. For example, we need to find the percentage of this one, 500, A86. But we need to write is equal A86. The percentage. Now, what percentage are we charging on it or cutting? So the percentage we will be applying over here is, suppose, 20%. So we'll write 20, 20, and you can use the percentage sign. Equal A86 into, this is the multiplication sign, and then 20%, and then press enter. You will get the 20% of 500 is 100. So that's what we got over here. And we can also do it like equal A86 multiply 20/100, which also means 20%. So we can see we'll get the same answer, which is 100. Yeah. So that's how we find the percentage. Not bold. Let's underline it. So that was it. And now there's one more thing I want to show you. How to find the day. when we are writing, when we write the, at first what we need to do is write dates, day, month, year. To it's easy to find the day, month. Like we know 5 is May, so it will be May. The year would be 2005. But the day, which day it would be, it's difficult to find because we know the date would be 6, but the day, it be Monday, Sunday, Friday, or whatever. We can't always have open a calendar and just find it there. We can do it here as well. But at first you need to do is copy it. Copy this over from here, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then paste that information. At first select this, and then paste it over here, or use Ctrl+P to paste. Okay, I haven't copied this. Copy, and then paste over here. Okay, at first let's add borders to it so that it looks good. We can add borders from here. I always use all borders so that there are borders on all sides of the boxes, like this. Then what you need to do is you need to um what you need to do is select the you need to select this like that and go to format. Okay, yeah. There's option of format over here. But you need to just click on this. Then you will get the option of format cells. Click on that and a dialog box will appear. Yeah, like this. And then what you need to write is you need to go to custom over here, choose custom, and here write the type. The type would be for, here we selected it for day, so we'll be writing D 4 times, and then press enter or click on OK. You will get the days. In the same way, for the months, select all of them, go to format, click on format cells, go to custom, then write on the type. The sample would be same, but for the type, you need to remove this and write month. For the month, M 4 times. Here you can give, here they give a sample of what you will get when you do this. Then press enter or OK, and here you will get the name of the months. So there was 5, so May, 3, March, 11th, November, and 4 is for April. Now for the year, in the same way we can do, go to format, click on format cells, go to custom, customize it, and then here you write year. For year, write Y 4 times and you get the year. Okay, and that's how you do it. So that was it for the today's video, guys, and I hope you all understand the basics. If there is anything that I missed and you want to learn, you can comment down below. And if you have any confusion regarding whatever we did in this video, you can also share that in the comments. So I hope you liked the video. To watch more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.